Ube Swirl Açaí chiffon cake. Hey, have you ever seen a cake so captivating, like a watercolor painting? The Ube swirls dance through the vibrant Açaí batter, creating a masterpiece that's almost too beautiful to eat, almost. But beauty is just the beginning. Imagine sinking your teeth into this cloud-like chiffon cake, the delicate sweetness of ube mingling with the tangy Açaí pandan. Each bite a symphony of flavors and textures. Feel how incredibly soft and airy it is. This chiffon cake is like a dream come true, light as a feather, yet bursting with flavor. And with this mesmerizing Ube Swirl, is a showstopper that will impress anyone. Today, we are going to create this magical Ube Swirl Açaí chiffon cake together. Get ready for a baking experience that's as delightful as the cake itself. First, the secret to a perfect chiffon cake starts with precision. We begin by carefully separating 7 large egg whites from the yolks. Separating egg whites from yolks is a simple yet crucial step in making a perfect chiffon cake. Let me show you 3 foolproof methods to do it without breaking a sweat or the yolks. Step 1. Crack the egg gently on the surface instead of the bowl's edge. This prevents tiny shell fragments from getting inside. Step 2. Hold the egg over a small bowl and carefully open it into 2 halves. Step 3. Slowly transfer the yolk back and forth between the 2 eggshell halves, allowing the egg white to drip into the bowl below. This classic method is easy, but be gentle. If the yolk breaks, it could ruin the egg whites, making it harder to whip into stiff peaks. Hence the reason why I always do 1 egg at one time in a bowl, so that you won't ruin the whole 7 egg whites together. Next step, let's warm up our 75 ml of canola oil. We don't want it hot, just pleasantly warm to the touch. This helps it blend seamlessly with the other ingredients, smooth and fluffy. You can also choose to microwave it if you don't want to heat the oil up in the frying pan. Once the oil warms up, pour it into the bowl. Next, in a separate clean bowl, we will combine our dry ingredients. I'm using 115 gram cake flour for the extra lightness. And here's our secret weapon for that vibrant color and antioxidant boost. Açaí powder, 1 tablespoon. Normally, I mix my own cake flour at home. 15 grams of cornflour or cornstarch plus 100 grams of plant flour. We will shift it together with the flour to ensure there are no lumps. Before we get completely lost in the magic of this Ube Swirl Açaí chiffon cake, I wanted to give a quick shout out to all my new viewers. If you are enjoying this baking adventure and want to see more delicious recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to the channel, and I'm so glad to have you here. Alright, let's go back to our chiffon cake batter. Add in 75 ml water into warm oil. Shift all the dry ingredients slowly using the whisk to mix in all together. One tablespoon of natural pandan extract, half tablespoon of vanilla paste extract, mix in the remaining of the dry ingredients of the powder. Add in 7 egg yolks, Oh look, Pandan color is more than Acai powder now. Now let's use our Queen's brand of natural food coloring. Few drops of purple food coloring and few drops of red food natural coloring. Mix it all together. Look at the color. Instantly change to a little bit pinkish purplish. Mix until this consistency and set it aside. Now it's time to whip those 7 egg whites. With the stand mixer, use the whisk. Start on low speed, gradually increasing it until they become frothy. It will use up a couple of minutes. Once the egg white becomes frothy, now it's time to add in our 1/4 of teaspoon of cream of tartar, or you can substitute with lemon juice. They are going to help stabilize the egg whites. Now we will slowly add in our 80 grams of caster sugar. Few tablespoons at a time, and keep beating until we have those glorious stiff peaks later. While whipping the egg white, why not go to hankery.com and join our newsletter? At the same time, you can get free 3 recipes ebooks once you sign up. Don't miss out! After 5 to 6 minutes, the meringue should look glossy and smooth, with defined ridges forming when you lift the beaters. When you lift the whisk, the peak should stand upright without drooping. Now gently fold the whipped egg whites into the cake batter, bit by bit. Use a circular motion and whisk the meringue into the cake batter slowly. This is with the half meringue, and pour the remaining cake batter into the half meringue in the bowl. Now this is where things get delicate. We need to incorporate those fluffy egg whites into our batter without deflating them. And I always find it the last step will be using my spatula to fold the egg whites into the cake batter evenly. Here's our ungreased chiffon cake pan, around 18 cm. Remember, no greasing. We need the cake to cling to the sides to rise properly. Now carefully pour in the batter evenly. I also include the Amazon affiliated links of the chiffon cake pan more in the show note below. Time for the artistic touch. We will use a few drops of ube flavor for our swirl. You can add a tiny bit of purple food coloring if you want a deeper shade. Now gently drizzle the ube essence in a couple of circles on top of the paddle, and with a bamboo skewer we will create our mesmerizing swirl pattern. See how the color blends and create a beautiful marble effects. Into the preheated oven it goes. We will bake this beauty at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the skewer inserted comes out clean. And look at that gorgeous rise! Oh wow, so beautiful marble effect! After 40 to 45 minutes, once baked, let the cake cool upside down in the mold to prevent it from collapsing. And there you have it, our Ube Swirl Açaí chiffon cake, a masterpiece of flavors and textures. The vibrant colors, the fluffy texture, the fragrant pandan, and the subtle sweetness of ube is a truly unforgettable cake, and something really special and close to my Southeast Asian home. Once the cake has completely cooled, we can gently loosen the edges with some spatula, then carefully unmold it into a serving plate. Listen to that, the delicate shh as the knife glides through the cake, and testament to its airy, cloud-like texture. See how it springs back, leaving barely a trace. And watch this, the gentle rip as the cake separates, revealing its delicate, cottony crumb is so light and fluffy. It almost feels like you are holding a cloud. It practically melts in my mouth. Can you hear that? It's the sound of pure happiness. Here's recap my invention recipe. Ube Swirl Acai chiffon cake, or you can go to hankery.com for print out recipe. Don't forget to click on the link in description box below or check out my green tea chiffon cake recipes. While chiffon cake are for sweet cravings, sourdough is my everyday staple. If you want to master bread making without taking over your calendar, I published the 9 to 5 sourdough blueprint on Amazon just for you. It's designed specifically for busy schedules. You can find the paper pack and hardcover links right in the show notes below. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes.